Peace. One reason you may want to try natural fertility methods to conceive is because when you go for IVF treatment or a lot of this artificial type of fertility reproductive methods, they give you fertility drugs to stimulate your ovaries. So some fertility drugs are ones such as Clomid, and it's designed to hyperstimulate your ovaries in order to produce eggs. However, when you hyperstimulate your ovaries, you also produce gonadotrophin, which is part of the aim. And so in the production of gonadotrophin, the increased levels of gonadotrophin are linked to ovarian cancer. And that is why women who are on birth control pills are believed to have a decreased risk of ovarian cancer. So I just want to give you all a heads up on why you may want to seriously consider natural fertility methods as opposed to artificial ones or, drug induced ones. Because another thing is that ovarian energy is very rapid. So you could develop ovarian cancer very rapidly and be at risk for that. And of course, that is a risk of death, a risk of infertility, and, a risk of possibly hysterectomy or, cutting out that ovary. So there are a lot of risks involved with going the unnatural route, whereas the natural route, you can at least heal your womb from other issues. You get in touch with your body, in tune with yourself. You help retrain your body to do what it was designed to do. And you can help to not put yourself at unnecessary risk of things such as ovarian cancer. So if you want to learn more about ovarian cancer in particularly, visit my Twitter, where I will be putting out some more tweets about ovarian cancer. Peace.